what have you learnt about yourself during lockdown?
The thing that I've learned from being in lockdown is that there is so much of work that you can do before you overwork yourself. And that has happened to me in the past before, where I have burnt out because I've been working so much, and I feel like you're not able to notice it when you're able to go out and see your friends, because it is kind of like a little break from work. But at the same time, through being in lockdown, I have been able to understand that there is a cutoff point in the day when, I just need to put down my computer and go outside, go for a walk, and just not think about work, because it's so easy to carry on doing work when you're in the same environment as the work you've been doing before. So I think that's something that I'm very grateful for, that I have learned, and that I will definitely take on forward.
Since coming to uni, I know that I like to cook, but I went vegan about 5 months ago, and at Christmas I didn't really get a chance to cook because I was at a relative's house most of the time, but I love cooking and baking vegan stuff for my family because it makes them kind of realise oh, this is actually really nice, and that's a nice feeling to make them realise that it's not all just gross steamed vegetables. So that's something that I've really been enjoying.
I have learnt that I can successfully cut a fringe on myself. It did not go as badly as some videos I've seen of people cutting their own fringes. I wouldn't necessarily recommend doing it, but I've learnt pro hairdresser. That is not what I want to do this job, don't worry. I've learnt that I can get creative with food as well. If I've got some things kicking around my fridge, I've found that certain combinations of things that you might not think to put together can work really well. Yes, you can put a dollop of sour cream and chive into a slightly spicy soup. That is a good tip. I've learnt that I've still got creative ambition, that hasn't left at all. I might not be making quite as much work as I usually would, but I've definitely been making actually a lot more personal work, which has been really, really nice.
I really hate being inside. I'm quite a talkative person, as you can probably tell. And I really miss seeing all my friends, getting to see them in person, and generally just going out and doing things. There's been some amazing opportunities to talk over video call, and there's a lot of online games and things you can play. I really recommend things like Scribblio, which is like Pictionary but online, different card games. Tabletop Simulator means you can play board games in 3D software, which is some crazy stuff that seems really futuristic to me. But I think that I really do just miss going out for a nice meal with them, being able to sit on the hoe, seeing the sunshine a bit. I just sort of miss being able to go out and just meet people in real life, but yeah, I think everyone does.
I've learnt to really value the time with my friends and family that I would usually take for granted. Obviously now I'm not able to see anyone, so I've definitely learned to appreciate that a lot more.